Let us assume this triangle here is equilateral triangle. So A, A. And diameter of the circle divides the equilateral triangle in two congruent sides. So this is A divided by 2, A divided by 2. And the altitude of the triangle is H. We already know, if we are taking here with Pythagorean theorem, we already know H is equal with A square root plus, is a minus. Let me go back here. Is a minus A divided by 2 square. When we are simplifying, H is equal with A square root of 3 divided by 4. And now area of the equilateral triangle is equal with a 1.5 AB. We already see AB, A is, but B is a height. Okay, 1 over 2 is a time A time A square root of 3 divided by 2. So area of the equilateral triangle is A square, so square root of 3, square root of 3 A square divided by 4. And this one we need in the future when we are going to approach the end. So now the diameter of the circle is equal with the height plus x plus this distance here. And in this side here we have three triangles: medium triangle, small triangle, and a big triangle. All of them stays in the relationship because they have the all angles equal or congruent. It means these triangles are similar. And to find the x here, we are using the proportion sides of similar triangles. Now h, this side over the long side of the small triangle, is this proportion: h divided by a over 2 is equal with the short side of the medium triangle, a over 2, divided by short side of the small triangle, x. If we are simplifying a little bit, this is a square root of 3 divided by 2, a divided by 2 is equal with a divided by 2 over x. If we are simplifying those, here in this side there remains just the square root of 3. In the other side, if we are multiplying inside with the inside, it means it's going to be a divided by 2x. If we are replacing a position of the square root of 3 with the x, then x is equal with a divided by 2 times square root of 3. If we are rationalizing this, we are rationalizing both sides, and x is equal with a square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 square root of 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we can find the diameter. To find the diameter, we have h plus x. So h, we already know, is a square root of 3 divided by 2. Here is a plus a square root of 3 divided by 6 is x. To make this one the same denominator, we multiply by 3, multiply by 3. And now 3a plus a is 4a, so diameter is equal to 4a square root of 3 divided by 6. If we are simplifying, is 2a square root of 3 divided by 3. That's what we have now. But we already know we needed to find the radius. To find the radius, r is equal with diameter divided by 2. So we divide this by 2 here, divide by 2. 2 with the 2 goes. So the radius is equal with a square root of 3 divided by 2. So this is the radius. And to find now the area of the circle is equal to pi times r square, which is pi, and r square we are taking a square root of 3 divided by 2 square. If we are squaring everything here, the area of the circle is going to be pi times a square 3 divided by here was a 3. Okay, so this is a 3. I apologize, because 2 with the 2 we simplify, and 3 squared is a 9. If we are simplifying, the area of the circle is equal with pi times a squared divided by 3. So this is what we have here. But to find here the white area, as I mentioned before, we have to subtract the area of triangle from the area of the circle. And area of the triangle is a squared, square root of 3 divided by 4, and area of the circle pi times a squared divided by 3. And now the white area is equal with pi a squared divided by 3 minus a square, square root of 3 divided by 4. And if we want to write it a little bit in a more fancy way, we can factor a squared divided by 12, and here is 4 pi minus 3 square root of 3 units square. And here I'm stopping.